Welcome, I'm Natalie from Sette Design, and I'm here teaching you painting techniques. Today, I just want to talk about, well, first, look how beautiful that villa is. Here I am in paradise, about to paint another room, very boring colors. And I always have to paint what my client wants, and that's fine because they're paying me. But you can do whatever you want with your space. And I want to encourage you to be innovative. Pick some fun colors, paint the doors, paint the ceilings, play around with what colors you use. It doesn't have to be all gray. We're painting the world gray. Cars gray, buildings gray. The high school in this city just got painted gray. And I think it's a bad decision. I think it's fun to play around with the use of color. So here's some examples when they did a good job. Dark tones with pale pink. Olive green, Bordeaux, and pale pink. Amazing. Look at that brass accent also. Here is an example when they pulled the ceiling color down about 20 inches onto the wall. Then they painted right over the moldings and it looks amazing. I love the lavender with the rich red. Another idea is just to unify the space by painting the doors, the moldings, the ceilings, everything the same color. It makes it look really simple and pretty. Overshadowing color. When here they, instead of just painting the trim, they painted further over onto the wall the trim. So the entryway looks bigger. Here's the sunrise from my apartment. And I was biking to work to that job, very hot. So here in Italy, the clients love a traditional process where you just add a piece of tape below the ceiling, or maybe drag it down like 5 inches and add a strip of, like, so here it is finished. I did the walls cream, the ceiling white, and then I painted this celadon green accent wall. And I just got tape that was like 1.5 inches wide, or maybe less, and taped it all around. First I painted that section, and then I let it dry and painted over it, and taped over it. But, you know, with that view and balconies around the whole house, the room could have been much more interesting. Leaving work, should I deserve a coffee break? How gorgeous that is. Gorgeous. Don't you want to restore it? Except electrical towers.